Meaning of John Kenneth Galbraith.
John Kenneth Galbraith.
John Kenneth Galbraith.
John Kenneth Galbraith.
John Kenneth Galbraith. John Kenneth Galbraith was a renowned Canadian-American economist and diplomat who made significant contributions to the field of economics. He was born on October 15, 1908, and passed away on April 29, 2006. Galbraith is famous for his influential work on the new industrial state, in which he argued that large corporations have significant power over the economy and the government, which is contrary to the classical liberal notion of a free market. He also critiqued the American consumer culture, and advocated for greater government intervention in the economy to address issues such as income inequality and environmental degradation. In addition to his academic work, Galbraith served as an advisor to several U.S. presidents, including John F. Kennedy and Lyndon B. Johnson, and was involved in diplomatic efforts in India and Ghana. He was also a prolific author, writing over 30 books throughout his career.